All right, so I'm going to try and create a widget in 5 minutes on our site, which is called iPublish Central. iPublish Central is a self-service portal for publishers to market, distribute, and deliver content. What I'm going to show you is a piece on market, which is to create widgets that are very specific to the book industry. You can just load the content that you have onto iPublish Central and create a widget without having to do any programming or work with tools that are not aware of the specific needs of a book publisher. So what I will do right now, I will actually see if the widget will actually get created in 5 minutes by logging into iPublish Central, which any publisher can register and get on. So, oops. And what I will do here is when a publisher logs in, they get the dashboard, but I'm not going to go into that. What I will do is click on this button that says Create Widget. I will load up a title. This is a title where the publisher has to give a PDF, cover art, and the XML of the title. What I'm going to do is open the XML of the title that a publisher has given us with, maybe not that, but that's good enough. And what I will do right now is copy the title again. So part of my 5 minutes is going to be in using that. So once I create a widget, it allows me for a very simple dialog, which I'm not going to do the rest of it. I can do any of the identifiers. It can be any one of the identifiers you see listed there. I will do a ISBN 13 because that's what we get from this publisher. And my ISBN 13 is here. And I can choose the author name, which is So once I choose this, what the system will ask me to do is upload the PDF and the cover art. So I'm just going to go in here and hopefully find the place where, there we go. And I will load the PDF file, and I will load the JPEG. And once I continue with that, the system will go through, upload the files onto the server. It's a software as a service model, so there is no upfront cost for creating the widget, and there is no real setup fee and things like that. A publisher can choose to put all the titles up, and once the system uploads the titles, I will get a dialog to configure the title, or the widget. And there'll be different widget types that come up. Right now we have an iPhone-looking widget, which I'll show you. There'll be different languages that come up. Right now we do English as the interface. French is just there to say it's going to come in the future. We have different dimensions that the widget can be done, and different themes. There's the aqua theme, a flat, and we can actually experiment with different ones, but I'm going to kind of leave that as is for right now. I will kind of go through I can choose different branding colors because the cover art is slightly different from a cover that I want to have, so I can choose to have some branding colors that match the title. I can choose to put author info, any buy links to where I can get the title, enable content search, the table of contents, share options, so I can actually put the widget on different places like Facebook, MySpace, library thing. I can choose to have the widget have a click action, which is when you click on the widget, that can go to a custom site, or to have a view inside, which is your way of saying this is exactly the pages that will give a sample of what this title is about. And what I'm going to do here is create a new view inside, which has its own specific set of options that I can configure. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of say go to process that. And what the system will do at this point, and unfortunately I'm running out of time here, but what it'll do at this point is run through and create this, and this process would have actually taken 5 minutes to complete if I started that at the beginning. But what I will show you is what this looks like by looking at something that we've designed in the past, which I can go and preview on the site as soon as this processes. We use the Amazon